Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Play Store. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store. Once you open Play Store, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. And then you need to click on Payments and Subscription. And here you need to click on Payment Method. And then you need to click on More Payment Settings. And now a new page will be opening. And once you are on this page, you simply need to click on three bars on the top left. Okay, then you need to click on settings, and once you are in settings, you simply need to click on country and region and click on create new profile, and here you need to click on continue, and here you need to select a region. So for example, I'm going to select Austria, and then you need to click on continue. So this is a process by which you can change your country on Play Store. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.